Creating infographics may seem straightforward, but it's a critical task that can mean the difference between capturing your roofing audience's attention and losing it entirely. Imagine your audience scrolling through countless pieces of content. Now, think about how you can make yours stand out. By transforming complex information into visually appealing graphics, you not only engage your audience, but also build trust in your expertise. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's dig into 10 practical tips that can elevate your infographic game and resonate with homeowners looking for roofing solutions. Number 1. Choose relevant topics. Focus on what matters to your audience, like roof maintenance or seasonal preparations. If you're talking to first-time homeowners, highlight the importance of regular inspections. This targeted approach ensures your content hits home and keeps people engaged. Number 2. Design visually appealing infographics. Use a consistent color palette that reflects your brand in easy-to-read fonts. High-quality images of roofs can enhance your infographics appearance, making it look professional and trustworthy. Number 3. Incorporate storytelling. Structure your content like a narrative that guides viewers through their journey. For instance, illustrate the process of a roof replacement, discussing challenges and solutions along the way. This personal touch makes the information relatable. Number 4. Use data and statistics. Relevant data lends credibility to your infographics. Share industry statistics about roof maintenance or localized data that speaks directly to your audience. Concrete figures help them understand the value of your services. Number 5. Keep it simple. Stick to essential information and avoid clutter. Too much text or too many visuals can overwhelm viewers. Focus on one main idea per infographic to create a clearer message that's easier to remember. Number 6. Highlight key takeaways. Make sure viewers can easily grasp the main points by using bold text or icons for emphasis at the end of the infographic. Presenting these takeaways in a distinct way encourages sharing and discussion. Number 7. Include a clear call to action. Every infographic should guide viewers on what to do next, whether it's contacting your company for an inspection or downloading a checklist. This not only fosters interaction, but also opens up opportunities for future content ideas based on their feedback. Number 8. Optimize for sharing. Make sure your infographics are designed for social media platforms where visuals reign supreme. Consider including social sharing buttons and testing different sizes to see what performs best. Number 9. Make it interactive. Adding clickable links or QR codes can significantly enhance viewer engagement by providing additional resources or videos related to the content, creating an informative and enjoyable experience. Number 10. Share across multiple platforms. Distribute your infographics widely to maximize exposure. Tailor your content based on the platform to ensure it resonates with different audiences. Now, here's something to think about. Have you ever wondered how many roofing contractors are out there just waiting for your call? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your project. However, not all contractors are created equal, and knowing what to watch out for can save you from a world of headaches later on. If you're looking for reliable contractors for your home projects, visit bighomeprojects.com. We connect homeowners with trusted local professionals in the roofing industry, ensuring you find the right help while saving time and effort in your search. Don't let roofing issues keep you up at night. Take action today.